So my mother said the other idea, "Hey Jory, can you burn me a CD?" I said, "Absolutely. But you told me not to play with fire." But I have a good tool. I have the microwave. So I'm gonna burn my mother a CD. Safety is our #1 concern. We have a tinfoil shield so we don't roast our nuts. 'Cause no one likes roasted nuts. We also have a proper ventilation system, today consisting of 2 fans. Bad idea? Possibly. Here's our trusty microwave. It's sharp, although not really sharp. So, in goes the CD. Maybe 2 minutes. That sounds like a brilliant idea. Close the door, and away we go. Ooh, might be bad. You turn it off now? Sure. Well, that was short, yet still exciting. It probably didn't need the full 2 minutes. In fact, it only needed 10 seconds. Where there's smoke, there's fire. The reverse is true. Where there's a fire, there's smoke. There's lots of smoke. Let's give this a second to air out. So now, after we've properly ventilated the microwave, let's check out what happened. Well, that sure is interesting. It's all crackly and burnt. Now, I'm not a scientist or anything, and I haven't really tested this out yet, but I reckon this doesn't work anymore. So, can you burn a CD in a microwave? Well, you sure as hell can burn it in a microwave, but you can't burn it in a microwave. So, is it a good idea to burn a CD in a microwave? Hell yeah! Did you see that light show? That was amazing! I haven't seen a light show like that since the tinfoil. That was so cool. I'm Jory Carrot. That's all I have for. Is it a good idea to microwave this?